Good evening students. Today we'll discuss linear programming and it is very simple topic. For exam 1 marks 1 question, 6 marks 1 question. Total marks is 7 marks compulsory asked in the exam. Okay, before we start linear program, we'll take one example. Based on that example, I will give how linear program exists. Okay, see, example is a manufacturer produces two types of toys, that is A and B. Each toy of type A requires 4 hours of molding and 2 hours of polishing, whereas each toy of type B requires 3 hours of molding, 5 hours of polishing. Molder works for 80 hours in a week and polisher works for 180 hours in a week. Profit on a toy of type A is rupees 3 and on a toy of type B is rupees 4. In what way the manufacturer allocates his production capacity for the two types of toys so that he may make the maximum profit per week? Okay, this is the example given. See, a manufacturer produces how many types of toys? Two types of toys, and it is named as A and B. Okay, type A requires 4 hours of molding and 2 hours of polishing. Type B requires 3 hours of molding and 5 hours of polishing. Okay, molder works 80 hours in a week. Okay, and polisher works 180 hours in a week. See, and the profit of type A rupees 3, type B is 4. Now we want to calculate here maximum profit per week. Maximum profit per week, and this example we can easily simplify by taking the tabular form. See here, how many number of toys are there? 2, A and B. For manufacturing toys, we need compulsory molding and polishing. Okay, and molding and polishing is given in hours. Okay, next, here toy type A takes molding 4 hours, polishing 2 hours. B 3 hours molding, polishing 5 hours. In a week, it requires maximum hours is for molding 80, polishing 180. Okay, and profit of toy A is 3 rupees and B is 4 rupees. Everything is given and we have converted in the tabular form. Okay, now here we need a maximum profit. For that, how many number of toys we have to produce? We don't know exactly. Therefore, we can consider, let X be the number of toys of type A and Y be the number of toys of type B produced per week. Per week, we have to assume X be number of toys of type A, Y be number of toys of type B. And profit on the toy of type A is 3 rupees. It is given. But we don't know exactly how many number of toys we manufactured. That one we have taken X. Therefore, profit on X toy of type A is 3x. Similarly, profit on one toy type B 4 rupees. Profit on Y toys of type B is 4y. Next, see, we consider Z. Z represent weekly profit. And for weekly profit, we need toy A and toy B. Okay, that's why that can be represented in the form Z equal to 3x plus 4y. X represent type A toy, Y represent type B toys, and these are the number of production of items. And for these production of items, we get a profit for toy A 3 rupees. That's why we are multiplying. And for B 4 rupees. And sum it, we'll get the maximum profit. Here Z is known as objective function. Means the objective function is here the maximum profit. Means the objective function always we consider either maximize the profit or minimize the resources. Okay, but here given it is calculate maximum profit, therefore our objective function is maximum. Okay, and next see here for manufacturing toy A and toy B of type A, type B, we need two conditions. One is molding and another one is polishing. Means there are two conditions are applied here, or the two restrictions are there. First we have to construct a molding. Later onwards what we are doing here, polishing. And these two we call it as two constraints. Okay, constraints are nothing but conditions or restrictions of the given inequalities to manufacture toys A and toy B. Okay, next for molding constraints, just go through the molding constraints. See, 4 hours it takes 4 hours for type A toy. Therefore, we can write it is 4x. 3 hours for toy type B. Therefore, we can write 3y. Means it can represent 4x plus 3y. And maximum duration of time is 80 hours in a week. Therefore, we can write it is 4x plus 3y less than or equal to 80. Next, polishing. For polishing toy type A, it takes 2 hours. Type B, 5 hours. Maximum time or duration in hours is 180 per week. Therefore, polishing constraints is 2x plus 5y less than or equal to 180. That can be represented Z equal to 4x plus 3y molding constraints, 2x plus 5y less than or equal to 180 polishing constraints. Here x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0 are nothing but number of production of items. And remember that here number of productions are toys and they are always non-negative. Therefore, we consider it is greater than or equal to 0. The above mathematical expression is known as mathematical formulation. Okay, from the above inequations we find out the values of x and y. The values of x and y are substituted in the objective function z equal to 3x plus 4y. The maximum or minimum value of the objective function is known as optimal value. Okay, what we have done here, by taking the example, we convert it is in the mathematical formulation. By knowing this example, now I will give some definition. Thank you.